So this course conducted by eVision Technosoft Private Limited. Under this course, we discuss about two certification program. First, MS900, second, 102 certification. So this is a lecture number first. Under this lecture, we discuss about what is Office 365, what is the difference between Office 365 Exchange and Exchange on-prem setup. Why company move on-premises to cloud? So first discuss about what is Office 365. So Office 365 is an integrated experience of app and service. In other words, we can say it is a SaaS service. SaaS service means software as a service, means company purchase a license and assign this license to particular user and user can use the services. And these all services, backend part, these all services like hosting part, these all services, data part, database part are handled service provider just like company or purchase a Microsoft license, so Microsoft are handle like data center Microsoft are handle, like security part the data Microsoft are handle, these are backend part. So under the company, so multiple services for day-to-day office tasks like mailing services, so user are using Outlook, Word, like documentation related, so user are using Word, data related, so user are using Excel, like presentation related, so user using a PowerPoint, meetings related, so user are using Teams and SharePoint and many more services, each and every office task. So these all services are very important because every day user are using these all services. After that, on-prem environment, like why company move out to on-prem to cloud? So because main reason is a on-prem environment is a complicated, on-prem environment is a like expensive, and so just like a white on-prem environment is expensive, so multiple prerequisites is required. Just like a first prerequisite is if a company use on-prem setup, so company need to one server like Windows server, like company need to Windows Server 2016, 2000, like 2019, otherwise 2020. Means first company need to purchase a server. After that, install the server to any particular like setup. After that, everyone, if company like using a on-premises, so need to on data center. If company like using a on data center, so multiple prerequisites required. Just like a company need to 24 into 7 electricity, company need to 24 into 7 air conditioning room is required. After that, need to security compliance is required, need to storage. After that, need to hardware setup, exchange server and update. So after that, as a security purpose, so company are using a firewall. After that, need to internet. After that, need to like multiple employees. So it is a very complicated. If like need to user ID creation, so first need to open a Windows Server environment, like Windows Server. Under the Windows Server, need to open a Active Directory. Under the Active Directory environment, create a like user, different users like user 1, user 2, user 3, user 4, user 5. After that, creating these are users and assigning a license, like after that assigning license, if any users are facing any problems, any issue related to service side, so troubleshooting is a very complicated because multiple prerequisites is available. So company decide move out to on premises to cloud because everyone, so just see like this. So on-prem first need to like company set up a Active Directory. Under the Active Directory, create a user 1, user 2, and user 3. So these are users in created on a on-prem Active Directory. And through the Azure AD connector, these are users directly synchronize on-prem environment to Exchange server. So again, this is a very like expensive because again one tool is required Exchange like Azure AD connector. So each and every company decide to move out on-prem setup to Exchange Server because this is a cloud platform. This is a cloud platform. Only company need purchase a license like Office 365 administrator. So under the company Office 365 administrator are using Office 365 tenant. So under this tenant, multiple license are purchased like Office 365 E3, Office 365 E5 and F3 license, including Office 365 E1, E3 and E5. So company requirement based purchase a license and assign these are licensed to particular users. After that, everyone user can use the services like this. So this is a scenario of Office 365 because if company use on like cloud platform, if company use Office 365, so no hardware equipment is required. No hardware equipment is required. No 24 into 7 like monitoring and backup is required. No Windows server is required. No Exchange server is required. No update is required. No 24 into 7 air conditioning is required. No 24 into 7 electricity is required. No security compliance is required. Like downtime, downtime not required. After that, storage is not required. After that, because this is a cloud platform, so Microsoft are provide 99.9% SLA. So definitely every company choose Office 365. So thank you for watching this video. So next video we discuss different topic.